What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Euro Whipz. It's your boy Kels Lou again, man. And we gonna put some parts on the 1997 BMW 740 out today. It's kind of chilly outside, so I'm gonna hurry up and do this because next week I'm throwing it in the shop to my mechanic so he can look it over, get the inspection done and stuff, so I can go and get my plates and everything. So, but let me just show y'all what I got so far, you know what I'm saying, that I bought for the Beamer. So stay tuned. Okay, right here, I went and got the cluster, for those dead pixels that's in the car. And the M steering wheel, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put that on at a later date. But yeah, I went and got that, and I got some more parts coming for it also too. But right here, I got a few little parts I'm gonna put on there today. That's for the Mercedes. That's that tweeter. Y'all remember that tweeter? I got the right side. It came in the mail, so I got the driver's side tweeter. But, I needed this strip. I'll get that strip right there. Those are hubcap, new hubcaps. New hood and trunk logos. That's the gas thing, when Floss broke the gas thing. I'm going to fix that. It needed a new driver's side mirror for it. And the radio needed the little wheel, so you can cut it up and down. But it also came with a remote control. So let's go outside, man. Hurry up, put this stuff on there because it's cold outside today. So, okay, y'all, we back at the 740i. And new thing that I gotta get fixed is the window is cracked. I rose it down yesterday. I had to drive it yesterday, go to the store. I rose it down a little bit today. Yesterday, so I gotta get that fixed. Now it's stuck, so it won't go back up. But that's what happens when, we got these old cars like that. The regulators get stuck on them and stuff and everything. But first thing first, let's go ahead and put this strip. Let's do something easy. Let's go ahead and put this strip on right there. You know what I'm saying? And knock that out the way. Then we gonna do the gas cap thing next after that. So I'll hit y'all back in a minute. Alright, y'all. That's what it looked like on the car. You know what I'm saying? Got the chrome trim going all the way around. So, a little simple fix. So let's move on to the next one. The gas cover. Alright, y'all. Y'all can see. Got the gas cap cover back on there. So, easy fix. So let's move on to the next one. Now we're gonna do all the badging for the wheels, the trunk, and the hood. Hood need a new badge also. See? So let's get those taken care of. Be back. Alright, now she's starting to look like something. Got the trunk lid badge on there. Got the wheel covers, wheel hub covers on there. Got the hood emblem on there. You know what I'm saying? Covers on this side. Right there. So now, we're gonna move on to this right here. Let me show y'all. Gotta put a new rearview mirror in her because the old one, the ink, has came loose in it. Sorry about the camera work. As you'll see, the ink is sprayed on it. And then she needed for the driver's and passenger side mirrors too. So what we're gonna do the rearview mirror today. So I'll be back with y'all in a minute. All right, y'all can see I got the new one on there. That one was a job because you gotta screw that onto that metal piece. But I got it on there. Got the old one right here off there. Let's cut the car on to see if the compass work on it. Excuse me, the camera work. I'm holding it with one hand, y'all, but let's see. No compass. No compass. I don't think, but it's a little hole down there.
It's fat, juicy, and well, I can't say the rest because FCC will find me. So this is on Sexy Red and Bruno's on Z.
So, I'll be back. What's up, y'all? Like I said, now for the last thing for today, I got the wheel for the radio. This Kenwood right here. It also came with a remote control, so now I can change the stations up in here. You know what I'm saying? But this radio coming out anyway. You know I gotta roll with I gotta roll with my pioneers. So, and I'm gonna change the speakers up in here. Some of the speakers are bad, but guess who just pulled up? It is BMW 535. It's Floss the Boss. So yeah, so what's good, bro?
What's good, bro?
Sure. Tell the people
that I ain't shaved, nigga.
besides that, man, tell them what you did since last time on the video to your joint.
Put gas in it and did an oil change. No, I just did an oil change and shit on there. I need to change the air filter, and I need to put these shocks on there.
Yeah.
You need a axle over here.
Yeah.
Now I'm finna put a new windshield on it, change the bumpers, the front and back bumper, and put a spoiler on the back.
Spoiler.
And then put some lights, some ground effects on it, and then put the subs back in it.
Subs back in it. All right. Yeah. That's what's up. That's what's up. Like I said, he had that video coming to y'all shortly on his joint. And like I said, with the 7, like I said, most of the stuff I got, but I got these too. Let me show y'all these. I'll take the key in this moment. Let me show y'all these though. Good, we'll lock it. There it go. Man, my bad, y'all. I'm doing this one. Oh, hey, yeah, pull it up, man. Yeah, all right.
Yes, shit, company.
It's locked.
Yeah.
Hold on. There we go. Yeah. All right, I do got some Rain-X windshield wipers. I'm gonna throw on there, but it's too cold today, man. I ain't fuck with this shit today. So, but yeah, like I said, I go to amp that was in here. I got these hydraulic things for the trunk to stay.
These things,
yeah, those easy. Yeah, they pop off. Yeah,
I changed them on the Camaro.
So yeah, so they on the way. I already ordered them. Like I said, I got those.
And yours got the clip right here.
Right, just pull the clip off. Yeah. So, but yep, but that's why this thing was like that, because somebody was holding it right there and
pulling it out.
Yeah, pulling it
out.
You
just pulled it back out.
A little bit, yeah. But yeah, y'all, this is the 7. Like I said, she needs some more work to her. But she getting there. Like I said, I'm gonna drop in the shop next week. My mechanic Ed, he gonna take a look at her, because I gotta get this inspection on her and these plates and stuff. But as far as the bins go, I'll show y'all what I'm doing with the bins, because I got this one little piece. Y'all remember, this the piece right here that I put on the passenger side. I don't know, man. It's got a lot of ice on this mother today. Hold on, let me open the door. I'll be back with y'all. All right, everybody. I got that one in on the bins. We on the bins now. I did that one last week. Just did that one today. So basically, yeah, man. Those are the bins and the Beamer. So they coming along, you know. It's fine. They still need some work, but I got parts coming for both of them. You know what I'm saying? When I get the parts in, I'm gonna do some more work on them when they warm up. Like I said, when I get this one back from the Beamer shop, I gotta get the plates on it and go get it registered and stuff. And this one be able to drive and do a little bit more work to it. Like I said, so y'all can see too. I think show y'all these. That's why I'm gonna change those out, because they rusty. You know what I'm saying? They've been on there shit for a minute on this car. And look. See the stripping coming up off of them. So yeah, so once I get this back from the shop, like I said, I'm gonna do that. And yeah, man, coming along. That's it. So y'all stay tuned, man. Euro Whipz, Kells the Lou. As y'all see, floss left. But yeah, man, Euro Whipz, Kells the Lou, floss the boss, HPENT. Holla at y'all.